In today's video, I'll be showing you guys an amazing project that allows you to mine Bitcoin without ever getting those big old miners. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad. Welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's jump straight into the video. If you ever thought about mining Bitcoin and you did some research and you realized that the equipment costs thousands and thousands of dollars, and then when you see the videos of the factories all over the world that have thousands of miners working 24/7 mining Bitcoin, and when you see the scale of it all, you realize, man, I'm not a big fish. I will not be able to compete with any of those big guys. But this project that I'm about to show you right now will allow you to mine Bitcoin with as little as $30. And best of all, you do not need to buy tens of thousands of dollars worth of equipment. Let's go over to the computer screen so I can show you this awesome project. So the website is called gomining. So what is gomining? Well, gomining allows you to purchase NFTs, and every NFT that you purchase, you get a portion of the power of these real Bitcoin mining machines. So instead of spending tens of thousands of dollars to get one of these machines, you can buy a NFT for a fraction of the cost and still get the same benefits. You'll be able to earn Bitcoin every single day, which is freaking amazing. We all know Bitcoin is not going anywhere. And in the next 5-10 years, hopefully we will see Bitcoin prices at levels that we cannot even imagine today. But as of right now, they have sold over 61,000 NFTs. And these are some of their stats right here. Total Bitcoin mined by their users is 2,277 BTC. So what gomining has done, they have turned the Bitcoin mining industry upside down, and they have made it accessible to everyday people that are on a budget. So with gomining, you'll be able to solo mine. If you just keep your NFT inside your wallet, you'll be able to mine BTC daily. Or you can join a pool and mine even more Bitcoin as a team. One reason why I like gomining is they are very transparent. They provide all of the information and you can verify everything. As of right now, they have over 28,000 workers, 28,224 that are active. This is their current hash rate. Some of their partners include the Binance Pool, Bitmain, and Bitcoin Mining Council. When you scroll down, you'll be able to see their mining pools. You can click on each of these pools and you can verify all of the information. They are extremely transparent. But you want even more transparency. So when you scroll down even more, you are able to see live video feeds from their factories. You'll be able to see the miners in action live on these live cams, which in my opinion is awesome. So this is my personal account, and this little bad boy right here is my miner. So when we click on him, you'll be able to see more information like the specifics, what level I am, the upgrades, and all of that stuff. But what I want to show you guys is the rewards. As you can see, every single day I am earning Bitcoin. It may not be a lot of Bitcoin, but 50 cents a day, $1 a day will definitely add up over time. And if the price of Bitcoin continues to increase, these daily payouts will be worth even more in the future. And on this page, you'll be able to see even more, like how much Bitcoin I have earned so far, how many miners I have, my power, and my efficiency as well. Also, one thing that I do want to say, you can upgrade the power, you can upgrade the efficiency. So let's say you want to increase your power from 5 terahashes to 6 terahashes. Right underneath, you are going to see how much your rewards are going to increase. So as of right now, on level 5, I'm making 51 cents a day worth of Bitcoin. But if I upgrade, I'll be making 62 cents. So an extra 11 cents. And then on the bottom, you are going to see the full breakdown. So 1 terahash, it will cost me $23.89 to upgrade my NFT. This will give me more power and my daily income will increase as well. So you can upgrade one at a time, or you can upgrade even more. So to get to 5,000 terahashes, the upgrade will cost you $91,000, and you'll be making $512 worth of Bitcoin every single day. Obviously, guys, I'm not going to spend $91,000, but it is amazing how you can control the power, control the efficiency, and you can see the full breakdown of how that will affect your earnings. The same thing goes for efficiency. You can upgrade it to earn even more. And you will see at the bottom, the price will increase the more efficient you want your NFT to be. But as I'm saying, you're not spending tens of thousands of dollars. Best of all, they have made it so easy and so user-friendly that you do not need to spend tens of thousands of dollars on equipment. You do not need to be an expert in technology or these mining rigs or anything. The interface is amazing, and you'll be able to buy and sell these NFTs on OpenSea or on their marketplace as well. Like I stated in the beginning, it only takes about $30 to get started, and I'm about to show you exactly how it's done. Also, I would appreciate it if you guys use my link below. So once you are on this page right here, simply press create a miner. As you can see right now, you'll be able to get a miner for $25.90. That is a level 1 with 35 efficiency. But you can go to level 2 and you can get it for $50.99. But you can start out with a low level and upgrade later, or you can start out with a higher level. But right here, you are going to see the full breakdown. Let's say you automatically want to start out at level 5, 16 terahashes. It will cost you $384, but your pool payout will be $49. Net rewards are $28. So you'll be earning a lot more. Also, in my opinion, it is best to start out low, upgrade as you go, explore different NFTs, explore different upgrades and all of that stuff. In my opinion, this thing is freaking awesome. And then you can also see your daily breakdown. So let's say you start out with the lowest level possible, which is level 1, and you spend $25.99. Your daily payout will be 10 cents worth of Bitcoin, but your monthly return will be just over $3 worth of Bitcoin. So it will take some time for you to recoup, but as the price of Bitcoin increases, your money will increase as well. In my opinion, this is a great way to stack upon Bitcoin. They also have the primary marketplace and the secondary marketplace. This is where you'll be able to buy other NFTs that people bought, that people upgraded, and they decided to level up, sell, and all of that stuff. So feel free to explore. There's some very, very expensive ones. Check out this one right here, $46,571. But you can simply sort by price low to high, and you can see them. Also, on the secondary market, you'll be able to buy NFTs as well. On the secondary, they are slightly cheaper, maybe a lot cheaper. So let's say 80.112. You can also sort by price high to low. So I highly suggest you guys, if you want to get into Bitcoin mining, check this project out. One final thing that I do want to mention, they also have a token as well, but I will be doing a breakdown of the token in another video, and I will be showing you how it is integrated with the NFTs and with the entire Go mining project. So stay tuned for that video. But in my opinion, this is an awesome way to get into Bitcoin mining at an extremely low cost. So if you ever wanted to mine Bitcoin but did not have 10, 20,000 to start, this is the perfect way, under $30. In my opinion, this project will continue to grow in the future. And this is just the first intro video into Go mining. I will be making a lot more videos regarding this project, full breakdowns showing you guys my earnings and all of that stuff. So stay tuned for those future videos as well. And don't forget to check out the link in the description box below if you want to get started. Like, subscribe, see you in the next video. Peace out.